Welcome to Analytics with Nax. In this video, we're going to see about how to dynamically change your title for your charts or visuals in Power BI. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button right now and press the bell icon to receive the notification whenever I upload the videos. Let's jump into a demo. This is a simple chart over here, and you can see what are the fields we have used. This is the bar chart which contains the date, year, month and day and sales amount. What I'm trying to say. So now this is more or less fixed. I mean to say, like, whatever you see here, either you can change it by hard coded, either you can say it like by year. What happens when you have a default behavior like by year, right? When you drill down, maybe click on this. I prefer this is some new option. I mean, it's not a new option. When you click on it, you, instead of right click and drill down, you can directly go. I mean, when you click on the bar at that level, it will be drill mode. That's fine. What I'm trying to say here, sales amount by year and month, right? So it is the default behavior. I don't want this, but I want some kind of custom behavior. Like whenever I click on year, this year should be appearing here. So when I click on the month, this month should be appearing here. It is generic, and now I'm seeing like sales year, month and day, but I'm not sure which year or which month. People will get confused sometime, but by which path they navigated here, whether it's 2018 or 20 or 2019. So in order to achieve that, okay, first we will try to have a simple logic how we can change the title first, then we can implement the actual behavior whatever we are trying to achieve. So first of all, I just want to dynamically change. So in order to edit it here, like sales amount, I don't want anything over here. I want sales amount. That's it. Okay. Now when you click on it, this once you start editing in the title of that visual, like over here, once you edit it without by default, it will have sales amount by year, everything. Once you edited here, whatever it is there, irrespective of the levels you narrow down, drill down, the title remains same. Okay, this is one of the thing I want to highlight, how you can change it dynamically, right? So obvious, like when you want to do it dynamic, you need to write some measures. So here is a measure. So I put the dynamic chart title. I will zoom it up. So what I did, if is filtered of dim date year. Okay, I used is filtered DAX function. Then once you drill down, that is filtered means you are going down, then it is by monthly. If it is not filtered, then it is by yearly, right? So dynamically I will say in my visual here, sales amount by yearly, sales amount by monthly. This is the first step I want to achieve. Then I will go to what year it is. Okay, just it's a simple logic. When it is filtered by monthly, when it is not filtered, show it as yearly. So this is one of the text I want to append before that, by monthly, by yearly. So this will, as a static text, I mean static text, then append this value over here. That is the logic I've written. So once you have written this DAX measure, keep over here, go to click on this visual, go to FX, that is formula, then choose field value and choose dynamic chart title 1, I mean chart title. Now you can see immediately it is reflected at sales amount by yearly. Okay, I'm not filtered anything. Now when you click on it, it says like sales amount by monthly. Okay, this is how you can dynamically change. Basically you need to write a measure, then the formula will do for you. So the expected behavior, what function? So now I use is filtered. In order to get the value of filtered value, I need to use a selected value. So it's a combination of filtered and is selected value you need to use and append your corresponding values and then use that measure value in your title. That is what we want to achieve. Let us try to go through this particular DAX function, that is title 1. So like over here, get the year value using this variable. Like if is filtered of dim dated year, then selected value of year. So when it is filtered, then use the year, get that year value, then store it in this variable. If it is not filtered, show the text as by year. Again, like in the month level, is filtered of dim date at month. When the month is filtered, okay, so when you narrow down to year, it will show this data is for the 2019 and it will show 12 months. So no need to show any month here. Once you filter particular month, you can see 2019 January or February, whichever month you selected. So you need to get the month here. Then what I'm doing, so return sales amount for the year, that variable, and the month. So just using a two selected value of two columns, and if it is not selected any month, then I'm leaving anything. I mean, I'm not doing anything here. Okay, that is what. So when I return this function title one chart, so instead of first title, the first formula, now I need to replace it with the another formula, that is dynamic chart title 1. Now again it says by year because I didn't filter anything. Now when I click on 2019, you can see the sales amount for 2019. So in this way, people can easily understand which year you came through. If you are not using this 2020, even if you go down here July, so sales amount for 2020 July. So this is one of the trick or important concept you can use that way be liked by the business user. Like this video, share with your colleagues and friends, and comment below for your queries. Do remember that data is your asset.